वेलकम बैक। आप देख रहे हैं नो रिजर्वेशंस और अब ये वक्त आया है कि हम आज के पहले मेहमान से मुलाकात करें। बहुत ही जल्दी उन्होंने अपनी मकबूलियत को हासिल की, आपके दिल को जीत ली। बाऊजी बाऊजी वाज द सॉन्ग जिसके जैसे सब लोग बाऊजी बाऊजी करके झूम रहे थे। आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट कोमल रिजवी। गुड इवनिंग। थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन नो रिजर्वेशंस।
माय प्लेजर।
अच्छा, नाउ आई नो द इंडस्ट्री इज अ टफ इंडस्ट्री टू बी इन, ठीक है। अब जब मैंने अपना पहला कदम लिया था इंडस्ट्री में एज अ मॉडल, आई वाज व्हाट 19 लेट टीन्स। यू स्टार्टेड एट द एज ऑफ 16। मतलब ये वो वक्त है जब अम्मा अब्बा कहते हैं बच्चा पढ़ो, आपने आगे जाके बहुत कुछ करना है। यू वर गिवन द एनकरेजमेंट टू जॉइन शोबिज।
Dude, I wouldn't say that I wasn't like freely given permission.
Okay.
My mother was really against it.
Really? Achha, I thought you were a very supportive family. Your family really...
They're very supportive in everything, but my mother was just about showbiz. My mother was very, very anti-showbiz because she was like, you know, no one in my family, they're all doctors, they're all engineers, you know, typical...
पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं।
पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, exactly. So my mother was very against it, but my father at that time was like, you know, if I said the sky is indigo, he'd be like, indigo hai, tum sahi keh rahi ho. So
your father was wrapped around your little finger.
Absolutely. And he let me do anything and everything. I mean, he'd literally pick me up at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. I remember from PTV. He'd drop me. He'd make sure I'm there. He really, really supported me. He dropped me to India. He flew with me to India, met everyone, made sure I was settled in.
That's nothing I want to talk about. जब आप इंडिया गई थी, आप उस वक्त पे गई थी, मुझे याद है जब पाकिस्तान में टेलीविजन पे हम इंडिया कह नहीं सकते थे। हम कहते थे जी वो पड़ोस मुल्क में गए। You couldn't say the neighbors. हमारे neighbors कहाँ गए। Yet आपको वहाँ काफी जल्दी एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी मिल गई थी। लेकिन
वहाँ एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी मिल गई थी, यहाँ बहुत मुश्किल से मिली।
आपको बहुत actually you had to deal with a lot of resentment.
A lot. There was a lot of stuff in the newspapers which was complete rubbish. And but I was very naive. I actually thought कि मैं इंडिया जाऊँगी तो मुझे यहाँ बहुत appreciate किया जाएगा. You know, the first Pakistani on an Indian music channel, the first Pakistani to live there, the first Pakistani female to release a solo album there. And I was so young, I was still a teenager, and I thought that Pakistan से मुझे बहुत appreciation मिलेगी. But what ended up happening was a complete backlash. Like
समझती क्या है अपने आप को?
I got banned from channels because of my dancing video. हालांकि उसमें इतनी dancing थी नहीं. You know what? People think that working there is easy. You know, I used to wake up at 5 a.m. And I used to come home. You know, रात में मुझे 10 बज जाते थे, 11 बज जाते थे काम करते करते.
असल में जो मतलब जो मेहनत आपको करनी पड़ती है. I mean, I call it manual labor. Literally मजदूरी होती है. जो लोगों को शायद अंदाजा नहीं है.
Like literally, Aisha, at night, I remember एक दफ़ा मैं बैंगलोर में कॉन्सर्ट कर रही थी जिसमें I was introducing Sting and Def Leppard and Aqua and all these people. And I remember when I came home, जब मैं आई हूँ वापस, मेरे पैरों में से खून निकल रहा था. And my boss called me and said कि the Savage Garden has just flown in and they're here just for 2 hours and you have to do the interview. Now this is at like 1 a.m. at night. I've just finished working. All right, I've come home, my feet are bleeding. All right, and I had to go and I had to take their interview. I mean, it's really hard work.
अम्मी का क्या reaction था? क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा,
she was incensed. When I went to India, every time she'd have a fight with my dad, it'd be like, तुमने खराब कर दिया इसको, तुम्हारी वजह से ये हो रहा है, अब इससे शादी कौन करेगा? You know, like she was incensed. And my mother is a very classy, very laid back, very kind of like calm woman, you know. But when I went to India, she took all my awards, and I'd gotten like National Award of Newcomer Actress and blah, 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 all these awards. She just took them, she put them in a garbage bag and she threw them outside.
Really?
She would, yeah. And she refused to talk to me.
लेकिन इससे आपको तकलीफ नहीं हुई कि मतलब जिन चीज़ों के लिए आप मेहनत करती थी और जब वो उसकी acknowledgement जो इतनी मुश्किल से मिलती है और उन चीज़ों को जब फेंका गया था, how did that feel?
I was hurt that Ammi is not supporting me, but I totally understood her point of view because I knew what I was doing was very daring for the type of family.
So now here we are 2010. And Komal Rizvi अब कम बैक करना चाह रही हैं. Why? जब आपको पता है कितनी, I mean, कितने लोग नए लोग आए हैं. There's a newer generation.
It's much tougher now.
They're younger. They've got new ideas. They're fresher. Komal Rizvi is a name from the past. दोबारा आना कोई आसान काम नहीं है. हाँ, तो क्यों? Why?
I have a lot of faith in my talents, and the people who love me, my friends, my family, they also really believe in me. मुझे नहीं लगता it's going to be tough because you see, when God has given you something,
लेकिन I don't mean to insult. I don't mean to be insulting. Okay, I'm just being honest here.
Sure.
Friends और family तो मुझे बोलते हैं हाँ नहीं यार
That's true.
बहुत अच्छी है. नहीं तुम्हें करना चाहिए.
नहीं, but खुद भी इंसान का एक brain होता है to evaluate.
को जो है ना accept करना, वो उनका दिल जीतना बड़ा मुश्किल काम होता है.
Yeah, no doubt. It's tough, but you see, it's all about your intentions. आपकी नीयत पे होता है. If you work hard and if you do your best. I know I'm quite gifted, and I mean I should be humble and say कि नहीं जी नहीं, you know, I know I'm gifted.
Okay.
You know, and it's just my niyat is very pure. I want to work really hard. I hope that
new album. You're coming out with a new album.
I'm coming out with a new album. Okay. I hope people like my work. I hope people like what I do. If they don't, I can't help it. You know, but if they do, then
fair enough.
You know.
ठीक है. Okay, well, we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
मतलब I hope कि इंशाल्लाह जो आप सोच रही हैं उससे बहुत ज़्यादा आपको कामयाबी मिले.
Inshallah.
Now, I want to talk a little bit about your personal life. This is No Reservations.
Okay.
लेकिन
I can hear the Jaws music in the background.
ये सवालात मैं कोमल से करूँगी ब्रेक के बाद. हमारे साथ रहेगा. आप देख रही हैं No Reservations. मैं हूँ आयशा.